Welcome to Guided Meditations with Shree Dembla. This is a space for you to connect with your own self, to connect with your breath. This is a space for you to connect with the Mother Earth, the universe, and the divine energies. Release all the energy blockages that stops you from living a fulfilling and phenomenal life and receiving divine healing and powers from the source, from the universe, from your angels and guides, and so many magical beings that are here to help you. We are about to start a guided meditation. For this meditation, make sure that it is safe for you to close your eyes, as you will be closing your eyes. Make sure that you're all by yourself in a room and you're not disturbed for the next few minutes. You can put your phone on silent mode or the flight mode and just sit in a comfortable position. You can even listen to this lying down in a comfortable position. Make sure you have some water near you and you are comfortable. And once you're ready, you can begin.
Close your eyes. Take a long deep breath in and let go. Connect with the energy of the moon. महसूस करो कि आप चंद्रमा की रोशनी से, चंद्रमा की ऊर्जा से, चंद्रमा से जुड़े हुए हैं. Feel as if you're connected with the moon, its light, its grace. And with every breath you're breathing in the divine calmness of the moon. अपनी हर सांस के साथ आप चंद्रमा की ऊर्जा को, शांति को अपने अंदर महसूस कर रहे हैं. Bringing in your awareness to your physical body, अपने शरीर की ओर अपना ध्यान लेकर आते हुए महसूस करें कि चंद्रमा की रोशनी आपके पूरे शरीर के हर अंग में, हर कोश में समा रही है. और आपकी हर सांस के साथ आपका सारा तनाव, आपकी सारी चिंताएं बाहर जा रही है. Breathe in relaxation and calmness of the moon. Breathe out all the stress, all the tension. And just allow the moon to heal your body, to calm your body. Allow the chakras of the body to receive the moonlight and observe the vibration around your crown chakra as it absorbs the moonlight, the vibration around your third eye chakra as it absorbs the moonlight. The moon is also known for increasing the clair powers, the psychic powers, the intuitive powers. Allow your intuitive powers to expand and exponentialize. Observe how is your throat chakra feeling, being, as you receive the moonlight into your throat chakra. Observe how your heart chakra feels as you absorb the moonlight into your heart chakra. Observe how the solar plexus feel. as you absorb the energy into your solar plexus. And how is the sacral chakra feeling? The moon cycle is also known as the feminine cycle. Allow the moon to heal your womb. Allow the moon to heal your reproductive organs, your creative center. Allow the moon to heal your kidneys. Observe how it feels as the energies of the moon absorbs into your root chakra, calming the worries, calming the insecurities, calming the stress, all the way to your feet and out of your feet to the Mother Earth, creating a huge ball of energy around your body, healing your subtle bodies, your auric fields, and filling your space with the calmness of the moon. Stay in the calmness of the moon. Take a long deep breath in and let go, thanking the moon for the healing, thanking all your angels and guides and all the magical beings, thanking the universe and the earth, thanking the collective consciousness and the source energy, thanking your breath, your body, yourself, and any and all the beings, even the ones you wrote on the paper the names of, for contributing to you in all the ways they did and they are. You can repeat with me, I am calm, I'm happy, I'm peaceful, I'm joyful, I'm graceful, I'm beautiful. Take a long deep breath in and let go. You can move your hands and your feet a little bit. You can rub your palms, put them on your eyes. And slowly and gradually, as you feel comfortable, you can just open your eyes.
Have some water. Stay relaxed. Make sure that you write your experience of the meditation. Journal your experience of the meditation. And if there is any heaviness that you're experiencing or any discomfort in the body, don't worry about it at all. It's only the energy, intense energy is releasing. It will be fine in a while. Just have some water and relax. And just share your experience with me in the comments below. I would also like to hear from you. What are the other areas of your life that I can contribute to through these meditations? This is Shree Dembla, and I am very happy and humbled to be able to connect you with yourself, with your breath, with your angels. And for more meditations, just let me know in the comments, and I would love to create more videos of these wonderful meditations for you. Thank you. Have a great day ahead and stay blessed.